Ready to win $1 million and the title of MsMA 2023? Let's see if you've got what it takes. If you're a female, above the age of 18, and living in Asia, then the opportunity is yours for the taking. All you've got to do is go to app.millionaireasia.com/campaign-instructions/10 and click Register Now. Fill in your details and verify your email. Pay the $100 registration fee or key in your discount code. After successful payment, you can now log into your account. To complete your registration, click Action Required and update your KYC, photo, and 1-minute personality video, as well as providing more information about yourself as a participant. And that's it. You're now ready to compete. Take the stage, make your mark. Apply today and become the champion of MsMA 2023.